How to change TikTok username before 30 days. So if you want to change TikTok username before 30 days, then let's first open up TikTok application. And after opening your TikTok, now if you go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and let me tell you one thing, that you can't change your TikTok username before 30 days, but there is a way. You can simply go to the upper right corner, which has that three-bar icon, and then go for settings and privacy. And if you scroll down here, you will have report a problem option. You can simply tap on that, and then you can search for username, and after searching here you will have this unable to change username. You can simply tap on that, and then it will give you some steps on how to change and some guidelines. But what you can do is you can simply tap on no, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on need more help, which is on the bottom left, and then it will take you to this report a problem page. So here you have to write that I accidentally changed my username, and I want to change my username again because that was not what I wanted to be my username. So you can write that politely, and after writing that you can give your information like your email address and your TikTok username, and after that you can also upload some screenshots if you want, and then you can simply tap on submit, which is on the middle of your screen. And that's it. That's the only way to change your TikTok username before 30 days. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.